is up, YouTube? Last time we were getting attacked by merciless zombies. And now, we're gonna have to fight our way out. Hey, stop. You'll get your food and, never. But my friend is now, right here right now. I don't know where he went, but he might come back. He might not. And, yeah, I just published that video, so, those two videos, so. Smoker is too easy to kill. It's like one bash on the head is like... Ah, I don't want to go. Yeah, I have to get back up. Thanks whoever helped me. Okay. I hear a boomer, I hear a boomer. Boomers are like fat people. Like fat people. Get off me. I got this machete. Get off me, Hunter. Hunter. And now I'm gonna be naming my videos like I already did the second Left 4 Dead video, like it just got real and stuff like that. I'm gonna start naming them.
That's what I'm talking about. Reloading. Reloading.
Zombie souffle. Zombie souffle. Souffle. Zombie souffle. Zombie souffle? He just watched me and he wanted me to give him a zombie souffle. He was probably into by someone else. And then I'll play Dead Island. No, I think we gave that one to my sister because she moved out and those games are hers, so. Look, that guy just spawned in front of us and died. Or I might play, True Crimes. Some missions, because I already started. So, but, hold on. Jaden, are you back? Probably not back yet, though. But, as you can see, it is... You guys all need to heal. Did anyone take a health? I knew which was gonna be here, but oh, here, right here. Don't start over. Dead.
I owe you one.
But she was in there.
I'm not gonna die. Hey, I'm reloading. Everybody in the sewer.
Nick, of course you know. You might. There's a game's called Left 4 Dead, then thank you just for putting me on the ground.
Watch out! I ain't dead yet. Ah! That seriously felt better. Reloading. Reloading.
We're almost there.
Reloading.
I don't know, maybe 2 meters.
Alarms everywhere, people. Watch yourselves. I still smell it. Reloading. Watch your fire.
You guys have to help the elephant. No! Come on, help! Guys, come on. Yeah, I'm back. I made another one. Rochelle! No! We're about to die. Okay. Okay, make it. It's hard. Too dumb, too young. Okay, that was not a success.
I can't wait to see what's out here.
Oh, I can lift you?
That worked. That takes me up real good.
Okay.
This freeway's got to hook up with the bridge.
Everybody stay together. Well, we did stay together that last time, but we died. How did Nick die?
Reloading.
I don't even remember how Nick died.
Reloading. Help! 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 Sorry, guys.
Reloading.
I died. I'm dying. I'm dying. Guys, come on, help! I'm dying over here.
Get up, get up, get up. Thanks. Oh, you sons of bitches messing me up.
Gotta quit moving.
Come on.
Okay. That one hurts.
Reload. Get a machete.
Reloading.
Yeah, I got a machete. Oh, sorry.
Seriously.
Well, goodbye, YouTube, and I will see you in the next video.